Sup everybody? What's up, it's Mark. Check this out. I want to introduce this truck to you. It's a 2010 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LTZ with a 6.2 liter engine in it. I want to reintroduce it after what I did to it. So the truck was pretty much wasn't really looking up to par in the greatest shape, I would say. The front bumper was black. We went ahead and painted the front bumper, color matched to the truck. Turned out really well. Go figure, there's a goddamn bulldozer or a tractor driving by when I'm doing this damn video. Color matched the bumper. Still has all the LED cube lights in the bumper, incorporated in the bumper. It's really cool looking. We put a 2-inch spacers in the front and bags in the rear in order to compensate to fit these 33 1250 20-inch mud terrain tires. They're brand new, and it's running on a 20 by 12 XD wheel. Super awesome looking wheel. Let's go check it out. So with all that said, I'm gonna tell you guys straight up, there was minor trimming involved, okay? And it does help that the bumper's aftermarket, okay? Now with these factory bumpers, Chevys, that you guys know, have the most squarest fender wells. They're a mother effer to fit shit in. So they do rub and all that crap. The fender liner right here, the plastic fender liner, I just took a nice fine edge Dremel, filed it down like precision, baby. Look at that cut. So to fit the bumper and have it be level with the bumper, I kept the inside of the bumper black, the cubes where the cube LED lights go, the iron cross cube lights, and painted the rest of the bumper red to match the truck. It looks really nice and aggressive. I love it. Turned out really well, and it also is in matches well with the blacked out headlights. So it looks good. Back to the wheels. Like I said, there's trimming involved. As you can see right here, I put the video like this to show you guys how much clearance you have after the trimming. So it's maybe a finger, probably half an inch, I would say. And all I did was cut the fender liner right here. No beating it. I don't like beating my shit in. It doesn't look good. It's not a good thing to do. I don't prefer that. I prefer to lift it the correct height that you're gonna go to run the size tires and wheels that you plan on running. Beating shit in is half-assing it, and it's a cheap way of doing shit. It doesn't turn out well. I don't like it. So, like I said, the front bumper, if you guys have a factory front bumper, you're gonna have some issues with rubbing. So, there you have it. This truck is super clean inside and out. Really well taken care of. It's got a full exhaust on it, side exit exhaust on passenger and on driver's side. And it's got this awesome tri-folding bed cover with drains in the back. Really cool. Put this up, you gotta put this up first, and then shut the tailgate, and then drop that. Just an awesome truck. Leather interior. It's got the turn signals built into the mirrors. Inside's in great shape. Really clean. Pioneer head unit. You got all the adjustable pedals. You have a whole bunch of good stuff as far as luxury amenities in here. You know, it's really nice. My iPhone fits perfect right inside here. That's what I love about these Silverados. Wood grain, no sunroof, no rust. It's got maybe a little bit of surface rust here and there, but that's it. Door jambs are really nice. As you can see, nothing behind the door jamb right there. It's all clean. There's the VIN number. I want to say this is a 1 or 2 owner truck. And the best part about it, it's got, what do you call it? 6.2 engine in it. Beast ass engine, guys. Really beast engine. And the truck has, let's see, 135,000 miles on it. So 135,000 miles on the truck. A little bit of crackage in the seat right here. You can see wear and tear. But see around to the front. And there we have it. Volant, cooled air intake. It's really clean, super nice, not beat up. And that's it. So, I'll show you guys the underneath. You can see it. It's clean. She's pretty. So, if you guys have any questions, call or text me. I'll take it around really quick. I can't speak today. I'll drive it around so you can hear it and see it rolling. I'll just back it up, pull it forward, back it up, pull it forward, back it up, pull it forward. Let me go show you. Here we go. Hope that satisfied your needs. Check this truck out. Holler at me, guys. Hope everybody's doing well. Call or text me 540-848-2974. This is Mark with the 2010 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 with the 6.2 liter engine in it. Color match iron cross front bumper, running on a set of 20 by 12 XD wheels. It's like a satin black finish with milled accents in it. Super nice truck, really clean, and you can see it. So there you have it, and holler at me. Hope everybody likes this, and I hope it sheds some light on if you guys are trying to do wheels and tires and what to put on it to clear what you got to clear. Call or text me with any questions.